our biggest crops in Michigan are grasses, essentially. Corn and wheat are both in the grass family. So understanding how viruses are moving and affecting wild grasses gives us insight to what they're doing in crops as well, and why they might be more pathogenic in crops than in wild plants. We work with switchgrass because it's an important native grass in North America. It's a dominant in our tall grass prairies and grown on its own in wild situations all the way from Canada down to Mexico, and doesn't need a lot of fancy care. We're looking at the influence of a wild virus on how switchgrass grows to see if it increases its stress tolerance or maybe does some negative things. And so we're really interested in exploring some of these wild viruses that are more likely to have some beneficial relationships with their natural hosts and start to understand how they contribute to plant success. We're super excited to be able to predict more by looking at the sequences of viruses, what kind of impact they're going to be able to have. So as we do more large-scale sequencing of crops and wild plants, we'll better be able to guess if there's any impending threats, or we look like we've got a system that's pretty beneficial.